Welcome to our channel. If you want to renew your passport online for convenience and faster processing, follow these step-by-step instructions for online passport renewal. Step 1. Visit the official passport renewal website for your country. In the United States, go to travel.state.gov and look for the online passport renewal option. Verify your eligibility for online renewal. Step 2. Create an account or log in to the passport renewal system. You'll need to provide your email address and create a secure password for your application account. Step 3. Enter your current passport information, including passport number, issue date, and expiration date. Have your existing passport ready for reference during this step. Step 4. Complete the application form with your personal information, including full name, date of birth, place of birth, and current contact details. Ensure all information matches your supporting documents. Step 5. Upload a recent digital passport photo that meets the official requirements. Proper size, plain background, neutral expression, and no glasses or headwear unless for religious purposes. Step 6. Review your application carefully for any errors or missing information. Double-check that all details are accurate before proceeding to payment. Step 7. Pay the passport renewal fee using a credit card, debit card, or electronic bank transfer. Keep your payment confirmation for tracking purposes. Step 8. Submit your application and mail your current passport to the designated address. You'll receive email updates about your application status and can track progress online. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.